When installing a 320 amp service with an underground feed to a 320 amp meter pan that then feeds two 200 amp panels, it is crucial to understand the proper wiring configurations to ensure safety and code compliance. The question of whether you can double up conductors to the two panels on a 1 meter pan lug is addressed here. The answer is no, you cannot double up the conductors to the two 200 amp panels on 1 meter pan lug. Each panel must have its own individual lug connection on the meter pan. Several factors dictate this requirement, primarily related to ampacity, conductor sizing, and safety regulations. Firstly, conductor sizing is determined by the ampacity requirements of the individual panel it serves. In this scenario, you have two 200 amp panels. The conductors feeding each panel must be sized to carry at least 200 amps, according to the National Electrical Code, or NEC. If you were to double up these conductors on a single lug, you would be violating this principle, as a single lug and its associated connection point might not be rated to handle the combined current of both panels safely. Secondly, consider the potential for overheating. Electrical connections generate heat due to resistance. When multiple conductors are crammed into a single lug, the resistance at the connection point increases. This increased resistance leads to greater heat generation. If the heat is not adequately dissipated, it can cause the insulation on the conductors to degrade, leading to short circuits, arcing faults, and ultimately a potential fire hazard. Thirdly, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifies regulations for conductor termination and lug usage. The NEC mandates that conductors be terminated in a manner that ensures a reliable electrical connection. Doubling up conductors in a single lug might not provide the secure and reliable connection that the NEC requires. Many lugs are specifically designed and listed for only one conductor per terminal. Using a lug in a manner not specified by the manufacturer violates the listing and can lead to inspection failures and safety concerns. Fourthly, consider the distribution of load. When you have two separate panels, they are likely serving different loads within the building. If you double up the conductors on a single lug, you are essentially creating a single point of failure for both panels. If that connection were to fail, both panels would lose power simultaneously. By having separate connections for each panel, you ensure that a failure in one connection only affects one panel, maintaining power to the other. Fifthly, inspection and compliance are essential considerations. Electrical installations are typically inspected by local authorities to ensure they comply with the NEC and local codes. Doubling up conductors on a single lug is a common violation that inspectors look for. Failing an inspection can lead to costly rework and delays in getting the electrical service approved for use. Sixthly, the design of the meter pan itself plays a role. Meter pans are designed with specific lug configurations to accommodate the intended service. A 320 amp meter pan is typically designed to provide separate lug connections for each 200 amp panel. Attempting to modify or deviate from this design can compromise the integrity of the meter pan and its ability to safely distribute power. Seventhly, consider the long-term reliability of the electrical system. Over time, connections can loosen due to thermal expansion and contraction. Doubling up conductors increases the likelihood of loose connections and subsequent problems. By maintaining separate connections for each panel, you reduce the risk of these issues and improve the long-term reliability of the electrical system. Eighthly, the use of appropriate hardware is paramount. Instead of doubling up conductors, use appropriately sized lugs and connectors that are specifically designed for the number and size of conductors you are using. This ensures a safe and reliable connection that meets code requirements. Check the manufacturer's specifications for the lugs and connectors to verify that they are suitable for the intended application. Ninthly, proper torque is critical for all electrical connections. Use a calibrated torque wrench to tighten all connections to the manufacturer's specified torque value. Under-torqued connections can lead to loose connections and overheating, while over-torqued connections can damage the lug or conductor. Tenthly, documentation and labeling are important for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Clearly label each conductor and connection point to indicate which panel it serves. This makes it easier to identify and address any issues that may arise in the future. In summary, doubling up conductors to the two 200 amp panels on one 320 amp meter pan lug is not permitted due to ampacity considerations, potential overheating, NEC regulations, load distribution, inspection requirements, meter pan design, long-term reliability, and the availability of appropriate hardware. Each panel must have its own individual lug connection on the meter pan to ensure a safe, reliable, and code-compliant electrical installation. Always consult with a qualified electrician and refer to the latest edition of the National Electrical Code for specific requirements in your area. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure the safety and proper functioning of your 320 amp electrical service.